So, Mom, we do something on the program when we see moms or when we see dads. I thought it was your older brother, so handsome, mashallah. We asked them to roar for us. He closed the door, which means this is about to be a loud roar. Big round of applause on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness! Shireen hangs her head and begins to cry quietly. Hey, sister. Why so sad? Says her brother. Amir's having a party, and she didn't invite me. It's too much. I can't even deal with it. I don't even know what to do. It's like she's having a party and then they didn't invite her. They're like best friends, so. Oh, it's just a book? Oh. When we are angry, do you have any ideas of what we can do to try to control our anger? That's a great one. I love that.
Good evening and welcome aboard on the world's greatest and best invention, Spacecraft 360.
Hold on. Achoo! Oh no! I'm just joking. All right, I'll see you guys next week.